In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Outlook. First, a quick reality check so you don't waste time hunting for a setting that isn't there. Outlook does not let you directly reassign its built-in keyboard shortcuts. Keys like Ctrl+R for reply or Ctrl+Shift+M for a new message are fixed. But there's a powerful built-in workaround that gives you custom shortcuts for the actions you use the most. Quick Steps. Quick Steps let you bundle one or more actions and fire them off with a single key combination. Think of it as your personal macro without writing any code. You can move a message to a folder, categorize it, mark it as read, forward it to a teammate, or apply several actions at once, then trigger it instantly with a shortcut. Here's how to set it up. In the Outlook desktop app, go to the Home tab where you'll find the Quick Steps group. Look for the small arrow labeled Manage Quick Steps and click it to open the Quick Steps Manager. In this window, you can select an existing quick step if you already have one, or create a new one. When creating a new quick step, give it a clear name so you'll remember what it does at a glance. Then choose the actions you want it to perform. You can stack multiple actions in the exact order you need, which is where the real-time savings come from. Next, assign a keyboard shortcut. Outlook offers Ctrl+Shift plus a number from 1 through 9. Pick the one that feels natural for the task you're automating. For example, Ctrl+Shift+1 for your primary filing routine. Keep in mind that each number can be assigned to only one quick step at a time, and these shortcuts are limited to those 9 combinations. When you're happy with it, click Save. Now, put it to work. With any email selected, press your assigned shortcut, and Outlook will run all the actions you set in one go. This is especially handy for repetitive triage, like moving messages to a project folder, adding a category, and marking them complete, all with a single key press. A few tips to finish up. If a shortcut doesn't trigger, make sure the focus is on Outlook, and that the quick step still has its shortcut assigned. If you run out of numbers, consider consolidating actions into fewer, more powerful quick steps. And remember, while you can't rewrite built-in shortcuts, quick steps give you a fast, flexible way to